a couple of days it will be Tour de Fleece. It will be the first time I will be participating for Team De Lage Landen. Today we're going to do some preparation. I've got this mystery bag full of fleece and I don't even know which sheep it's from. So let's check that out. Oh damn, that's dirty. So we have like really beautiful parts like over here, but mostly it's really dirty. Like look at all this hay and poop. But it feels really soft, so I think I will try and salvage as much as I can and try to spin as much as I can from this fleece for Tour de Fleece. So I have like thrown half of the fleece out. That's rather dramatic. I never do that. This was a very dirty fleece. So it is still not the cleanest fleece, that's for sure. Though those little bits of VM, I can deal with them. That's not the biggest deal with spinning or any of the processes that come next. So yeah, I think we had a table full of fleece and I've thrown away half. You guys, look at these perfect little clouds! Oh my god! I also just spun up this little sample just to check whether it was worth it to comb all this wool. Maybe I would reconsider and take another wool for Tour de Fleece, but damn, this is soft and beautiful wool. Yes, this will most certainly be my project for Tour de Fleece 2022. Let's go!